Hello and welcome to GrowerCoach.com. Ken Salvail here, and we're talking about what makes this plant so great. And this is one of the best plants we find. We live in a hot, dry climate, so it's a really good plant for the temperatures we experience here in a semi-arid desert. And this is a Buddleia. These are the fairly new dwarf series. So these guys stay quite small. You can see these ones are about approximately 5 feet high. This one's planted a little lower than where I'm standing. But this particular one is the Buzz series. This one's called Magenta. And I think this is a Magenta improved series. But these are just perpetual bloomers. They just bloom and bloom and bloom continuously. And typical of butterfly bushes, you know, they're super drought tolerant. They're deer resistant. The deer don't eat it, so that's a real good bonus. I don't think anything eats them. So again, that's a good thing, at least in our area here. So again, we're in a semi-arid desert here. It's dry. It's tough. They're not really getting much water at all. They do get a little bit of water, but not very much. And but what a massive blooms. If you want to talk about butterflies and hummingbirds and, you know, just attracting all those fabulous insects, including pollinators, bees, syrphid flies, all kinds of insects that come to get the pollen, very popular. And I can smell them from here. They're really nice. I wish I had smell-o-vision so you could smell that, but really sweet fragrance. And lots of new buds. You can see on here that here's the finished bud, and here's the bud that's in bloom, and here's the next one getting ready to bloom next time. So one thing I can do if I want to deadhead these is I can go in and snip out this center flower and remove that because it's finished. And these ones don't set seed, which is interesting. You know, some of the Buddleias are almost invasive species in some climates. They're not invasive here where we live, but they are invasive in California and other areas. So you have to watch some of the butterfly bushes. But these ones are pretty much sterile. I haven't seen any seedlings at all come from these. Doesn't mean it's not possible, but I just don't see them seeding nearly as much as the other older varieties. Now, the older varieties get to be huge too. So again, what makes this plant so great is the way that it stays about 5 feet high. It's nice and bushy and just a beautiful plant, but again, you know, you've got drought tolerance, you got deer resistance, you got long blooming all summer. As soon as they start blooming, they just don't stop right through till frost, and just a really great plant. So good plant, easy to grow, and super nice for the garden. So that's about it here for today. I really do appreciate you tuning in today. Remember to click the like button and to ring the notification bell so that you can see our videos as they come out each week. Thanks again for tuning in.